Hi everyone, and welcome to week 5. As we know, all research needs to include a review of the literature, and that's our focus this week. WYJA tells us in the textbook that not citing the appropriate literature and not explicitly stating where your research fits into current knowledge is the third main reason why articles are rejected. Do you remember the first two reasons? Lack of a clear argument and submitting to the wrong journal. So your argument is now on track, and I hope that you utilise the week 4 activities to select 1 or 2 journals that fit your article. One of the first things you can do this week is have a look at the articles that have already been published in the journal or the journals that you've selected. Read through their lit reviews to give you some guidance on how long yours needs to be and also the structure. So this week, as we work on the lit review, the starting point is revising the types of scholarly text you're using and who to cite and when. You will have noticed by now that the textbook guides us through some systematic and very thorough activities, which might sometimes seem tedious, but please trust in the process and you will see the results in the quality of your article. The other activities this week are around identifying where exactly your article is entering into the scholarly conversation. And then you'll be working on your draft lit review so you can seek feedback from your peer group. Try to have a draft ready by the end of the week so your peers can give feedback next week. Whether you're revising a previous draft or writing from scratch, my advice is do all you can to have a draft ready that you can seek feedback on. And even if you think it's not that good, the feedback will be beneficial in the long run. So don't second guess yourself. I know I'm guilty of that as well, because it's sometimes hard to let go. But as we know, too much thinking is not going to get your article written. So these draft stages and seeking feedback are essential. So this week is about draft writing, and then next week is when you'll be giving feedback on each other's drafts. So stay connected with your group, let them know how you're doing through the week. This week, we also have our last reflection activity, but that doesn't mean I'm going to stop reminding you about this, because planning and reflecting on your progress is so important to achieve your goals. Take a minute as well to read Belcher's pep talk on page 151 in the textbook. It's really helpful, and also know I'm proud of you as well. Have a good week, and I will see you online.